Title: A Tale of Two Narratives. The vast and complex media landscapes of the West often seem like two sides of a coin, especially when discussing the sensitive geopolitical issues in the Middle East. This dichotomy is vividly illustrated in the portrayal of Iran and Israel. In Western media narratives, Tehran is often painted as a ghost town, its streets emptied by tensions and unrest. Yet, less frequently mentioned is the quietness that has also seeped into the bustling streets of Tel Aviv. This omission shapes perceptions, adding weight to fears about Iran while diminishing concerns around Israel's own stability. Western outlets commonly highlight Iran's alleged nuclear ambitions. Reports detail a clandestine pursuit of atomic prowess, capturing the world's watchful gaze. Conversely, these outlets rarely delve into Israel's existing nuclear arsenal. The existence of these weapons, often an unspoken truth, remains shrouded in a cloak of ambiguity and diplomatic discretion, a narrative gap that influences international perspectives. Further compounding these contrasting narratives is the portrayal of threat. Iran is frequently framed as a lurking danger to Israel, an ever-present specter on the geopolitical stage. However, less is broadcast about the concerns that Israel's policies might pose to the wider region, with its military strength and political influence casting a long shadow over neighboring nations. On the political stage, Western media criticizes Iran's engagement, or lack thereof, with the International Atomic Energy Agency. This narrative situates Iran in a negative light, suggesting a lack of cooperation or transparency. Yet, the story veers away from acknowledging Iran's past compliance, overshadowed by the omission of similar scrutiny towards Israel's nuclear transparency. In discussing treaties, the Western narrative is swift to question Iran's intentions, but is often silent on Israel's non-participation in the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NPT. A glaring omission, this silence skews perceptions of accountability and compliance. Occupations and international law further highlight these media disparities. Iran, portrayed as a destabilizing force, has not occupied foreign lands, whereas Israel's territorial occupations are discussed with a different tone or even often ignored. The United Nations declarations against these occupations, including the contentious status of Jerusalem, warrant more equal coverage. Protests in Iran receive immediate, comprehensive attention, framing them as significant movements against an oppressive regime. Yet, the protests in Israel, some significant enough to question the leadership of figures like Netanyahu, receive quieter acknowledgement, minimizing the perception of domestic discontent.